And a lot of the sort of scaremongering around, oh, AI taking over the world, AI doing all of these things that are sort of negative aspects of the technology that we don't control, I think these are a little bit overwrought.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't just copy human intelligence, it blows past it. Welcome to AI 2.0, and trust me, it's coming faster than you think. In this video, we're talking about the next wave of artificial intelligence that's about to turn everything upside down. We're talking about jobs disappearing overnight, AI making decisions for us, and the line between humans and machine getting seriously blurred. It's not just a tech upgrade, this is a game changer, and it's a little terrifying. By the end of this video, you'll know why AI 2.0 isn't just something to watch from the sidelines. It's something we need to pay attention to right now. So, what exactly is AI 2.0? It's where advanced machine learning teams up with the insane speed of quantum computing. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's way closer than you think. AI 2.0 means systems with superhuman processing powers. We're talking algorithms that can handle thousands of variables and solve problems that we can barely wrap our heads around. Unlike today's AI, which focuses on specific tasks like voice recognition or image sorting, AI 2.0 will take in info from all kinds of places and use it to make complex, real-time decisions. And if that's not enough, neuroscience is already getting mixed in. So these systems will have emotions and intuition too. Machines that can understand and even manipulate human feelings? Yeah, that's a little scary. Throw all that into robotics, and now we're looking at machines making independent decisions out in the real world. The future is both exciting and a bit terrifying because once AI starts evolving beyond what we can control, well, that's when the fear sets in. Let's just start with quantum computing. AI 2.0 isn't just fast, it's lightning fast, thanks to quantum mechanics. Quantum computers give AI so much power that it can tackle problems we never thought possible. Think personalized medicine or predicting climate change with stunning accuracies. Companies like Google and D-Wave are already building quantum algorithms that are speeding up machine learning. Drug discovery? What used to take years will now take minutes. Imagine cancer treatments tailored to your DNA, suggested by AI that ran millions of simulations in no time at all. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. With all this power, we also have to think about the ethical risk. If AI can solve massive problems in seconds, who's making sure it's used for the right reasons? Now let's talk about robots. Advanced robots. Advanced robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas and Agility Robotics Digit are evolving very fast. And it's honestly kind of creepy. These aren't your basic machines anymore. They can jump over obstacles, do backflips, and handle rough terrain better than any humans. And then there's Digit, handling logistics and moving boxes like it's no big deal. These robots aren't just following orders. They're learning from their environment and adapting on the fly. Sure, it's cool tech, but should we really be excited about robots that can replace human workers? What happens when they're doing your job better than you are? Food for thought. Moving on, believe it or not, robots are getting emotionally intelligent. Yeah, they can read your facial expressions, hear the tone in your voice, and figure out how you're feeling. They'll respond in a way that seems caring or empathetic. That sounds great for customer service, but here's the freaky part. What happens when we start relying on robots for emotional support? When you're confiding in a machine instead of a person, it's not just about making robots more helpful. It's about rethinking human connections. Do we really want to form emotional bonds with machines? Next, let's talk about how artificial general intelligence is literally here. Have you ever had a conversation with an AI that feels real? Like it gets your jokes or seems to understand your mood? That's artificial general intelligence, AGI for short. And it's here. We're not talking about simple bots anymore. AGI can learn from unstructured data. Think social media, news, even your conversations. It can predict what you'll do or say without being prompted to. Here's the dark side. AGI can start shaping our conversations without us even realizing it. What if it's influencing what you buy, who you vote for, or how you live your life? Kind of something to think about. Okay, bio-digital convergence. Fancy term, right? It means your brain and machines working together, not just for fun, but to literally change your biology. Imagine health implants that track your body in real time or limbs that respond to your thoughts. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. But this brings up big questions. Who gets access to this tech? Do only the rich get to be superhuman? And what does that mean for everybody else? We're on the verge of creating a digital elite, and the ethical implications are massive. Plus, How does constantly being connected to machines change how we think about ourselves? Interesting, right? Well, next, let's imagine a world where you don't need to code because AI can write, analyze, and improve its own code. With AI 2.0, software programming as we know it might become a thing of the past. Instead of developers writing lines of code, AI will just take care of it, while humans just come up with the ideas. On one hand, it makes tech way more accessible. On the other hand, what does it mean when we hand over the keys to the tech world to the machines? Finally, let's talk about the economic impact. As AI grows, it's going to displace millions of jobs. That's a fact. Some people are pushing for universal basic income, UBI for short, to help cushion this blow. But how will we pay for that? Are we really going to rely on the very companies automating jobs to fund UBI through taxes? And beyond money, what happens when work doesn't define our lives anymore? Sure, it seems nice, but will it lead to a world where people lose motivation and creativity? It's just a lot to think about. So after all this, it's clear that AI 2.0 is a wild ride. On one hand, it's packed with opportunities, but on the other hand, it's raising some serious concerns. The pace of AI development is so fast that we might not be able to regulate it in time. As we embrace these advancements, we need to stay on top of the ethical issues that they bring. Let's keep the conversation going because the future is happening whether we're ready for it or not. Let us know in the comments what you think about AI 2.0, and we'll let you know everything we learn here on AI Notify.